Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word answer in British English. So here we have the phonemic script taken from the Cambridge Online Dictionary, and first of all those blue marks give us two very important clues. The top left blue mark tells us that we stress the first syllable an, and then the blue dot in the middle tells us that we break this word down into two syllables. So the pronunciation is answer. Focusing on that first syllable then, that's the stressed syllable, so it should be stronger. And this is an interesting word in English because technically, depending on which part of England you're in, you could hear two very distinct ways to pronounce this word. We're looking here at the long R vowel, an. So R with a nasal N, an. However, there are many parts of England where you'll hear people say an, as in answer, and that's completely fine. Here we're looking at the R version. So repeat after me, an. Again, an. Our second syllable then, we've got this s sound, this hissing s, and then a schwa, a weak vowel, so s, s. We've also got this little r tagged on the end there. Depending on which version of English you're listening to, some versions of English, such as many Scottish accents and American accents, will have a stronger r sound than a typical English speaker from England, I'm talking about. With this variety, the r, the little r, popped at the top there, activates only if the next word begins with a vowel. So if I pronounce this word in isolation, answer, but if I say the word is afterwards, for example in the sentence, the answer is correct, hopefully you can hear that I didn't really say is, it sounded more like riz with a little r, and that's that linking R activating. The answer is correct. Okay, so we've got lots to think about with this word. We've got that long R that could be an A, and we've got this linking R that will activate if the word is followed by a vowel. So repeat after me, nice and loud. Answer. Again, answer. And just one final note, which is maybe the most important thing about this word, that W is silent. When we saw the script there a moment ago, there was no character for W. We do not pronounce the W in this word. So if you have a habit of saying answer or answer, unfortunately that's not correct. So my top tip for today is ditch the W. You don't need it. It is a silent W. There will be a little box that pops up in the top right corner of this video, which will take you, if you click on it, to a video all about the silent W, because there are a number of words in English that have this silent W in them. And if it's silent, you shouldn't say it. So if you're not familiar with those silent W words, then click on the box in the top right and you can go and check that video out. So top tip with answer, no W. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, then go ahead and subscribe, hit like, leave me a comment or share this with your friends. If you've got any words that you find particularly difficult that you would like focusing in on in one of these mini tutorials, then drop me a comment to let me know. Have a great day. Bye.